Carpet cleaners can eliminate stains from high-traffic areas while also restoring fluff to carpet fibers. These machines are an affordable way to combat messes from pets, kids, and more while extending the life of your carpets. They come in a range of models and prices depending on your household needs. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. As always, go through the description below to see all the mentioned products and buy links. We are starting our list with the Bissell Big Green professional grade carpet cleaner. It comes with powerful motors, an extra large power brush to pull out deeply embedded dirt, and powerful suction is just a few features that make this deep cleaner stand out from the rest. It has two simple tanks that keep the clean and dirty water separated for easy cleanup and fewer trips to the sink. This cleaner is made of durable, high-quality materials for a sturdy, anti-tip design. This machine is a powerful, robust piece of workmanship from top to bottom. This included 2x professional deep cleaning formula contains Scotchgard protection to help protect the carpet from future stains. This hefty machine weighs more than 40 pounds, making it a workout to push around your home, but it delivers unbeatable suction and cleaning power. Next up on the list, we have the Bissell 3624 Spot Clean Professional Portable Carpet Cleaner. It uses a combination of superior suction, scrubbing action, and specially formulated Bissell cleaning solutions to remove spots, stubborn stains, and embedded dirt. This compact 13-pound machine is easy to take to hard-to-reach areas so that you can remove spot and stains from carpets, area rugs, stairs, upholstery, auto interiors, and similar soft surfaces. Additionally, it comes with a 6-inch stair tool, 3-inch tough stain tool, and a trial-sized bottle of our Pro Max Clean, plus Protects formula to remove tough pet stains permanently. Up next on the list, we have the Bissell MultiPurpose Portable Carpet Cleaner. It comes with a 3-inch stain tool that helps you scrub stains away and a 48-ounce dirty tank capacity, so you don't need to empty it often. You can utilize the Hydro Rinse tool attachment to clean out the hose after each use easily. Take on small and large cleanups with this compact carpet cleaner. Use this appliance to keep your home free of dirt and stains without the need for high-priced carpet cleaning services. The long power cord and lightweight design make this portable steam cleaner easy to use just about anywhere. Another advantage is that it's easy to remove the water tanks, to fill them, and to empty your vacuum when you're finished. The next product on the list is the Hoover FH52000 Smart Wash Automatic Carpet Cleaner. This Smart Wash Automatic Carpet Cleaner machine eliminates the guesswork with automated cleaning technology that makes carpet cleaning as easy as vacuuming. Its auto mix precisely mixes and dispenses the correct amount of solution for optimal cleaning, while auto dries powerfully extracts water with heat force for even faster drying time. It has a dual tank system which is easy to fill, empty, and rinse. Additionally, the triggerless design delivers a deep clean as easy as vacuuming. Meet up the all-new Hoover FH50700 Power Dash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner. This carpet cleaner easily tackles pet messes and everyday stains while delivering 2 times more cleaning power than the leading lightweight carpet cleaner. It uses a new Power Spin pet brush roll, provides a powerful clean for high-traffic areas and small spaces. This easy-to-use pet carpet cleaner delivers a compact and lightweight design for efficient cleaning and storage. Plus, the Power Dash is designed with heat force power to deliver even faster drying for any space. Ideal for your pet carpet cleaning needs. The low-profile foot helps you easily reach and remove stains in tight places and under furniture for more convenient cleaning experience. Further, its lightweight design makes it easy to use anywhere, while the compact design makes storage a breeze. Last but not least, at the top of the list, we have Hoover FH50150 Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner Machine. It offers a dual V nozzle provides equal suction to clean surfaces quickly and evenly. The 360-degree spin scrub brush system safely scrubs carpet fibers from every angle to tackle the most challenging dirt, providing a complete deep clean. With the Smart Tank system making emptying and filling easy with no mess, no tools, and no waste of time. The recovery tank comes with a quick pour spout. Also, it has dual tank technology, which provides 2 separate containers for clean and dirty water to let you fill, empty, and rinse each tank quickly. It is also equipped with automatic detergent mixing, which provides the correct mix of detergent and water for optimal cleaning results. Hope you folks enjoyed our work. If so, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to show your support. Also, stay tuned with the channel for more videos.